Hi friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone display and brightness setting. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you turn on your auto brightness in your Infinix phone. So friends now let's see how to turn on auto brightness in our Infinix phone. In this video I will show you. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends first of all we will on our phone setting to on guys at auto brightness guys. You want to on auto brightness you can on. Guys click on display and brightness setting friends tap here. So friends you can see guys here review brightness setting friends you will have to click here, then guys you can on your auto brightness. You can see guys this right side icon guys tap here. Friends you can see after on guys your brightness decrease automatic because guys I am in the room. When I will go outside guys my brightness will increase and decrease automatic. So like that guys you can on your auto brightness mode setting in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet our next video with new topic. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye friends.